Sorry about that. Hello! I'll say May Saddle. I'll show you the night me killing today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and support. Let's begin. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more content. My beautiful. Look at it. Let's begin. Night I carry today is Steel Will MODUS F25 is a good night. Very good night. No standard posture twist. Nylon. Blue FRN. Two-way. Tips up only. The flipper is a sheath book. Steel Will logo. D2 Steel. Say about 4-inch blade. 4.5-inch length handle. And close like that. It'll take a while to break it open. Take a while. I need to force it open with an open beautiful blade. If you have this Steel Will model in question, put a comment below. I'm not hear all about it. Got an orange inlay right there, orange. Attachment finish blade. Nylon. Just right here, put your front land right here. Or do up here, do the quote cut. I love it. I've been carrying it night in couple of days now. I love it. Cut by the food. It gets over fat, but we're starting to be brand new start again. I love it. I love it. But this nice neck carry, yes, we're starting to carry it now. It's I get a box. This one right here is Cake Night, it's a home model, Poplar Word with the phone Standard J Trapper. Nice. 6254 CB. I don't care about that. I love this box. What do you do? It's brand new box I had yet. Got this? Password. Password. I love it. Dedicate logo on it. With the phone. Standard Jet Tracker. my number 6 tractor. My number 6 Kate Knight, my question. Get better. Short nickel bolter. There's a switch joint. USA 5254 TB. Wow, this one got 1 star. 1 star right here. 1 star. You got 1 at time. 1 at time. They kept out 1. I love it. Feel the blade. That one I'm gonna carry it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm carrying it. Because it looks cool. I love it. It looks good in my collection. See why I love digital knife? Because it looks really, really cool. One day I had my very own GEC knife. Great eating quantity. You know what GEC stands for. One day I'm gonna get my very old GEC knife. Look good for my collection of my digital knife. I love it. Look good in my collection. I love it. Oh, we'll take the old line so you may carry it tomorrow. No, carry it today. Today the morning. Today the new day. I carry it today. This one I carry it today. And this one I carry today. I'll carry both of these. I carried this one today. I carried this today. I love it. I love it. Well, hope you enjoyed my night reviews I got here. One of my favorite nights now. I love it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and support. Share this video to your friend, and hopefully there's no more night review in the future. More night we get in. And more dot ahead. Oh, remember, stay nice, my friends. Thanks for watching, and keep shout out and be awesome on YouTube, and help it to grow the channel more and get more awesome friends, more HUD. See you next time. Sign out.